you guys have created, I'd say probably 2 members of staff out of Sol. Sol, our AI agent, is just unreal. So the visibility that we have on every part of our business is insane. We're completely caught up, and that would have taken us manually another 2 or 3 months. So we are a solar installer. We're based in the southwest of the UK. We cover the whole of the southwest. We service domestic and commercial clients for solar panels, battery storage, EV chargers, and we sit heavily in the agricultural market as well. So lots of farmers.
You contacted us, I believe, around 2 months ago or 3 months ago. And one of the main bottlenecks that I remembered was that you were manually going through all of your emails, and then you would forward it to the people in your team, which would just take you an insane amount of time.
I know I was the bottleneck. So we were actively looking for some magic genie to take my workload of those silly little tasks like forwarding emails. But actually what's happened is you guys have created, I'd say probably 2 members of staff out of Sol. Sol, our AI agent, is just unreal. So the visibility that we have on every part of our business is insane. From what it was, it's ridiculous. And we're now, the accountability that's come from that is, again, insane. We're completely caught up, and that would have taken us manually another 2 or 3 months. So our workload is lessened, which means actually now we can focus on the things that we want to focus on, which is growing the business properly and becoming more efficient. We do feel like with the other AI agents that we're having built, we will be there very quickly.
Yeah, that's really good to hear. I guess with this, the main advantage is now you'll be able to really focus on much higher leverage tasks than just going through an email inbox, which...
Yeah, absolutely. So being able to focus on income producing activity as opposed to, those silly little mundane tasks that Sol just takes care of, and the reminders and I think it's freed up. The biggest thing is it's freed up everybody's brain space to be able to focus on the important jobs at hand and tasks. Those tasks are being cleared quicker because people aren't thinking, oh, do I need to, they're asking Sol in the WhatsApp chat, where are we at with this project? Or can you put this project note on? WhatsApp for us and Sol has become the source of truth, and that's brilliant.
Yeah, no, that's very good. And how was the adoption for your team to start using AI? Has that led to maybe them realizing, have they used maybe more ChatGPT or Claude or
Yeah, so I think, we were using ChatGPT anyway. I think it's definitely mainstream now for us. It's not, everyone sees Sol as a human. He speaks like a human. He's quite funny. He can, have a laugh and a joke with us. So the characteristics of the agents really helped everybody to get on board with it as well. But they can see that, their output levels are higher. So they know that it's there, it's staying, and they love it.
And so before you started working with us, were you using AI at all, or?
Just ChatGPT, really, like everybody else in the world, I think. Nothing major. So we've also, although I haven't quite managed to connect it, we've also got Claude. So we've got 7 Claude devices. I just now need to figure out how I get them on one subscription.
You have 7 Claude devices.
So one for each of the sales reps, one for the main incoming line, so that keeps a track of everything. And I know that once I get that's my big bottleneck at the moment. I just need to be able to speak to someone from Claude. Once I get that unlocked, then we're on to a complete winner in terms of customer comms with both of those agents.
And now that you have seen what AI can do for your business, how do you think your business will progress like in the next coming months, and your industry?
So for me, I think we're ahead of the curve in terms of industry. I went to a meeting, actually, funnily enough, about 2 months before I spoke to you guys, and all of the people in the room were solar installation company owners, so directors of long-standing businesses, some in their infancy. Not one other person was using any AI at all, not even ChatGPT. Like, we're doing everything manually in some really bog standard CRM. So I know we're ahead of the curve. To come out at the end of this year with 5 agents is going to be huge. For me, building a successful business it comes down to 2 things: systems and teams. So if the AI agents can help us with the systems and become part of the team as well, not replacing anybody, but enhancing the team that we've got, sky's the limit.
Yeah, it's all about creating the tools that will empower your current team members to make their
100%.
role more efficient. Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, I think, is there anything else that you would like to say, you or David?
Just for me, David's been so patient with us, patient with Payaka, patient with Sol, patient with all the group chats. Like, just a massive, massive thank you for understanding my pain, understanding the business, and just being brilliant. You've been fab.
Thank you.
David is a superstar.
I think what you guys do is incredible, and more people need to know that it's accessible to any business on any level. A one-man band, so a sole trader would benefit massively from this. A big corporate company would benefit massive, and they're doing it already. But in the middle, we're in the middle, small to medium business. Yeah, game changer.
Yeah, it's a lot of the people that we speak with, like, everyone's very curious about what AI can do for the business, but we have some people who are a little bit like, they're skeptical about, is this actually possible? But that's the risk, and once you take that risk to figure that out, then with the correct team, then you're able to really see, you get a good understanding of where AI can be placed and also what can it achieve, and then that just gives you more ideas of what can be done. You as a business owner, you know exactly how your business operates, and then we know exactly how to build the AI system. So yeah, if we work together on this, then pretty much we're able to accomplish anything that you had in mind and get that working. So.
And you have, everything we've asked of you guys, you have delivered. It's the agent that we've got functioning right now does everything and more. I mean, he's probably doing too much. I feel like he might be stressed. I think David's probably stressed.
Sometimes it's hard to keep up, so many WhatsApp groups, so many email inboxes. It's like, okay, where did this come from?
Bonkers. But for us now, it works. Everybody knows that they're being held. They can see, everyone's got eyes on everything every day. Then at the end of the day, anything they've missed, 4:30, in comes the end of day, and it's like, I love it, because it's like, no, I've done that, and then they all feel a sense of achievement. Like, actually, I've done loads today. So we still need that manual, hands-on human to do these things. So that's never going to change. But to have a personal assistant, which is what Sol is for us, to manage that front end process, it's awesome. Everybody should be doing it. Everybody.
I love the name in Spanish. Sol.
Yeah. So
software.
the next one is Nova.
Where are you
No.
getting these names from?
I don't know, ChatGPT, obviously.
Okay.
No, it's all good. It's all good. We love it.
All right. How are you doing like the project management stuff then? Were you using any project management tools, or how are you keeping accountable your team before having the system?
We weren't, and that's the point.
Mm.
So we had we call it a WIP list, a work in progress list that was just out of control. But the problem we had was we grew so quickly in March. We were running 2 teams a day, so 2 installs a day, which doesn't sound a lot, but that takes some serious organizing. And we switched CRMs at the same time. It was ridiculous. Well, you saw me, I was fried. I'm still fried, but today is my last working day. I'm off for the whole of August to get married and enjoy the summer because I don't need to be here. That's priceless.
Yeah.
That's because of you guys.